Alright, we're gonna try to show you how to replace the coil number 2 3.7 Dakota. So we're gonna push this plug down and pull this little clip and pull the plug out. Okay, you push it and you slide the plug. Don't pull it from the wires. Okay, so now we have a right there. Nice. We gotta remove a 10mm nut that's holding the coil. Okay, we can just move the hoses away. Come on, use. You're gonna need a long extension. I'll be right back. Where is the wait a minute button? Okay, I went to grab a long extension. So now we're gonna remove the nut. I spray a little W40. Move this pipe out of the way. The hose. And then it's coming. Okay. That thing is coming with a stud. That's fine. I can take it out later. Alright, so now that we got it out, I did like 1,000 turns already. It should be out already. Okay, take the socket out. Okay. Now we're gonna turn the coil and pull it out. Come on, get out of there. I'm trying to do it without removing the hoses, but this thing is tight. So I'm gonna remove the hose. Trying to cheat. To cheat. Okay. So now I move the pipe out of the way. I'm gonna slide it up. I don't want to take the air conditioner hoses out. If I don't have to, because then I gotta fill it, and then the job became bigger. So no need to. So fight. Right. Okay, find it out. It's coming. See, I got it out. Now I have to remove the stud and get this thing out. First I got to put the stud and then the nut. But you can do this coil without removing those lines from the air conditioner. So I'll be back. I gotta remove the coil. I have to remove the stud. Okay, so first thing we have to put the stud back on. That usually don't comes out, but today it came out. Lucky me, huh? Today is my lucky day. So you put the stud all the way down, and you need a long screw. Long socket. Oops, I gotta bend this a little bit. Okay. That's okay. So now we're gonna put it all the way down. So we're gonna tighten up the stud, then we'll put the coil, the nut, the plug, clear the coat, and we're done. Okay. Okay, you don't have to be crazy tight. You don't want to break it. Get out here. Now the socket's stuck. Come on. Get out of there, you. Okay, got the socket out. Now we got the new coil. Okay, see, I put the A3. That means what store I got it from and the date. Just in case it goes bad, I can call from warranty. I don't have to pay again, and the customer don't have to pay again. I give 1 year warranty on everything I do. Parts, labor, taxes, everything. So if the customer buy it at the store, they get lifetime warranty. I cannot do that because I can only warranty my labor for 1 year. So that's what I choose to put everything 1 year warranty, even brakes, whatever we do. If it's new, 1 year. If it's used, there we go. Some people want used parts. Now we put the nut. It's a little tricky because you gotta use only 2 fingers and it might fall. So now that I put it on, move that little plastic hose out of the way, just enough to get extension in, tighten them up, and that's how you replace the coil, the spark plug too if you want to, without removing the lines from the air conditioner. You don't have to remove the air conditioner lines. Now we're gonna clear the code. Let me show you how we do that in Dodge. You clear the codes by putting the ignition key on. Where's the key? Right there. Put the key. Now you go back in the scanner and you put clear. Just sure you want to clear it. Yes. Turn the ignition on. Okay. So now it's gonna clear it. Everything goes in green. That's it. This is a very cheap computer. It's like $200 and it works beautiful. I like it. I got my Snap-on one. It's just wasting money and time. It does some great things, but you know what? I don't really need it. I get it out when like once a month. But yep. So it runs beautiful. We're done. Alright. P0302. Ignition coil. Bank number 2. Passenger side. Alright. Good luck.